Have you bought something on Amazon you're not happy with and now you want to return it? Don't know how? I'll step you through the process of what I think is the easiest way to do so. Interested? Here we go. Here's the process on returning something. You have when you ordered it, and then it will tell you you need to return by, in this case, will be just like in this order here, 25 August. And I usually miss the 30-day window, but on this product, I'll post up here a link to the evaluation of this product that was just very disappointed. It cost me $17. I want to get it back. You put in and select that you want to return it, return started, and then you get your refund rather quickly, but it's all on the understanding that you're going to return the product. This you put in the package, and this is the label for the return. And then you have to select a locker place. Now this happens to be a couple miles from my house, and they give you about 48 hours to return it. Here's my locker PIN number. Here is the location that I need to go to, and the location is open between 5 o'clock and midnight every day. And it says here, directions you will find the locker inside the store. If for some reason you don't have a printer, you can actually request a label by mail, and it costs you $1. Again, if I'm getting my $16 back, $17, and I don't have a printer, I certainly could use this option. But I do have a printer, so I've printed the label and the instructions. You've got your product. You've got a Amazon shipping container. In this case, it's just the package it came in. I've removed the packing label that came to my house, and I've got the one I printed out. You want to keep the other part, because it's basically comes like this, because that's the instructions to put it into the container at the location where you're going to go. And then print out on the second page this return label here that goes inside the package. Put that guy in there. I use clear tape over the labels to make sure nothing happens to them. Not that I do this a lot, but anytime I'm shipping anything, I use this clear packing tape. You can get it almost anywhere. And if you don't have any, post office has it. Every big box store has it. And certainly the location where you're going to ship this out of has it, or typically does. Now you can use the UPS approach and go to a UPS store, but that's too far from my house. And I just wanted the quickest, easiest way. I've never tried this way before. I also have a distribution center within 20 miles of my house, but again, I didn't want to go 20 miles, traffic, all that stuff. When I found out I could just get this thing here, put in this code into a container or locker and drop it off, that was the easiest for me. It's a mile from my house. I can do it anytime I want. I guess I could fold this over and do it like that, but I think I'm just going to seam it here and maybe run a couple strips down. By the way, I'm going to have a whole bunch of videos on what you can do with these Amazon Prime shipping envelopes, because they're pretty cool. And you just don't want to throw them away. And there's a lot of things you can do with them. A lot of things. Okay, I'm just going to trim that off now. That's probably good enough with just one line of tape, but I'm just going to make sure it gets there completely okay. So I'm just going to run another line down there. Fold it over like I did before. And it's ready to go to the shipping locker. So follow me as we take the little journey to send this guy back. In the car, ready to go. There's the package with the instructions and the PIN number for the locker, and we're going to send this back where it belongs. Okay, find out where these are. Okay, there's the locker area. Okay, you put your code in here. Scan barcode. Oh, great. Locker pin. Put the code in. It says locker over this here. Just opened up. Slide the package in. And it asks if it package doesn't fit. The locker did open. Please close the door. The locker. It must sense somehow that the package is in there. Boom, closed it. Thank you for using it. It's that easy. Wow, that's simple, and you can do it anytime you want. And then the screen comes back up to put the number in. Wow, that couldn't have been easier. And now the package is in there. I don't have to worry about it. I'm going to get my credit for a package that really didn't work for me. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for all sorts of videos, making and breaking things, home repairs, how to deal with tech, cosplay. If you're interested in any of those things, check out my channel and please subscribe. You never know what you're going to see.